Hello Eric DIY viewers, Eric DIY here. This is a different video basically. We have all this camping emergency equipment in front of you from the Big Blue Mountain, and honestly this is more of a thank you video to them. We did review Big Blue Mountain camping pillow. They sent that and more basically, and they just said, hey, you know, we want you to just to have a little of everything and maybe make a little video review on everything. Camping review video, by the way, we'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out that review. It's an excellent camping pillow. We still use it to this day. Really high quality there. Big Blue Mountain, they sent us some Firestarters, and actually this right here with this Paracord bracelet, you can actually purchase this as its own set, but it has a nice flint on it, and it has a nice magnesium shaving thing. It's very thick, and it has a nice handle to it. So we're going to be using these in the future. And the Paracord bracelet we actually used in the Adventures with Zach video. All right, Zach, which way are we going, bud? We're going kind of southwest, but anyways, this is the Big Blue Mountain Paracord survival bracelet. It has an emergency whistle. You want to try out that emergency whistle really fast?
Yep.
Okay, show people. There you go. All right, that fits on your wrist. It also has a fire starter and everything.
Yep.
But Zach is modeling that and using it perfectly on our hike. Just want to show everyone that on the end of this buckle right here is actually a fire starter. So in case you ever got lost and needed some survival, you'd have a fire starter with a scraper, and the Paracord's just there for Paracord. Hiking at the Boynton Wildlife Refuge in Taunton, Massachusetts. Has a nice compass on it. A survival whistle, which I felt really good about Zach having, just in case if he tried to wander off. Not that he did. Did a nice job. And there's also a fire starter with a scraper right here from the Big Blue Mountain. And of course it has the Paracord on it too as well. That is one set that you can buy. We'll leave a link below in the description so that you can actually buy the Paracord bracelet with the Firestarter combo if you like that. They also sent some emergency rescue blankets, and I hope to never have to use these, only because that would probably be an emergency, or we might use them in just a situation where people are cold around us, like my wife or something like that. But we'll have to see. They're size 51 inches by 83 inches, so they're huge. And just like any emergency rescue blanket, probably a good thing to have these in your first aid kit, which is exactly what I did with these. These are going in my first aid kit. Last but not least, they also sent us another combo, which is where you could buy two of the Paracord bracelets, just like I showed you, just in different colors. They have a black and a green, and they also include a fire starter in this combo. So again, we'll leave a link in the description below with this combo, the Big Blue Mountain Paracord bracelets with fire starters. Good news is that Big Blue Mountain actually sent us all this extra stuff because they said, oh, have some giveaways with it. We are starting monthly giveaways this month in May. We just ask that you go to our Patreon, you donate through Patreon to support the Eric DIY channel. We're not as lucky all the time to get the Big Blue Mountain and other companies just to give us stuff. So sometimes we actually have to buy things we review. The things we buy though, we do use. We don't just buy stuff just to review it. If you can't donate through Patreon, we're still gonna like you, obviously. We appreciate all our supporters, and we love that the subscribers, we're having new subscribers every day, and the views keep going up. So Zach and I are just going to keep making videos. If you think it's worth it to you, support us as we buy more products to review, bigger and better products, then subscribe to the Patreon. And those subscribers are going to have the chance to win the first giveaway, which we'll announce pretty soon. Big Blue Mountain, thank you very much for sending all this stuff. And of course, we will definitely do a giveaway of the Big Blue Mountain in the future. And as always, have a great evening.
As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.